What are the benefits of learning online?
One of my favourite benefits of learning online is that I could be in a lecture and still be in my pyjamas having a cup of tea and some toast, and that's always a good thing.
Lecturers are always available. They're always online, so if you ever have a question, boom, they're there for you.
You can raise a hand or use the chat box to ask the lecturer any questions.
Cuts down travel time, so I actually find I'm able to fit a lot more into a day because there's no like walking to and fro places. I can have all my meetings right here and I can pop downstairs for lunch and save myself some money on food as well, which is always a bonus.
I think the freedom of being in your own comfort zone or in your own little cozy area can really help you focus.
You can start and pause lectures and move at a pace that's more comfortable to you, and also not be distracted or overwhelmed by loads of people being around you.
So it can be flexible. If you have a job or anything, you know, it can work around that really easily.
As quite a shy student, I never want to, in my lecture of 250 plus people, put my hand up and ask a question. But I feel a lot more confident doing that in the chat of a Teams meeting when a lot of people are doing that sort of thing.
Oh, and being able to study at the time of day that suits you the best.
I'd have to get up in the morning to go for lectures.